She's moving those hips. There you go. There you go. Yeah!
Over the past 20 years, more than 40 million people across America and around the world have lost weight and reshaped their bodies thanks to one man. And now, with his latest breakthrough in home fitness equipment, look who's back.
Butts. Get your rear in gear. That's what we're talking about. You can do it.
Introducing Tony Little's Rock and Roll Stepper. From America's personal trainer and the man who makes fitness fun comes the fastest, easiest way to combine thigh slimming, fun-toning muscle sculpting resistance with heart-pumping, fat-blasting cardio. The secret to the Rock and Roll Stepper's calorie-burning total body sculpting power is that it's actually 4 workouts in one machine. You get fat-blasting cardio, muscle sculpting resistance, core strengthening, and balance. All at the same time, all with just one simple, non-impact, fun rock and roll motion. And because you're getting 4 workouts in one with the Rock and Roll Stepper, you can literally start to transform your body starting in as little as 5 minutes a day. Forget about those old-fashioned steppers that only go up and down. You may as well work out on your stairs. It's the revolutionary side-to-side motion of the Rock and Roll Stepper that burns fat and sculpts lean, sexy muscles, buns, hips, abs, and both your inner and outer thighs. Coming up, find out how you can have Tony as your very own personal trainer and work out to some rockin' tunes from some of your favorite artists, including Bachman Turner Overdrive, the Doobie Brothers, Pat Benatar, and more. Plus, Tony reveals high-tech proof that the Rock and Roll Stepper works your entire body from head to toe. And see what happens when Tony takes his new body-rocking machine to the House of Blues in Southern California.
Come on, you can do it.
But now, it's time to rock. It's time to roll. It's time to get your rear in gear with Tony Little's Rock and Roll Stepper. So join TV host Deborah Shrills and America's personal trainer, Tony Little.
Hello and welcome to your Rock and Roll Total Body Toning Workout. My name's Tony Little and I'll be your personal trainer. Rock and roll your body fat away. Rock and roll your stress away. Rock and roll your body into a more lean, flexible, high-energy machine. When I first saw this unique stepper, I was totally jazzed. I played with it and quickly realized that its motion was totally different from any type of cardio muscle toning equipment that I have ever used. Over 95% of the equipment that is out there has all the motion going forward or up and down, not laterally, side to side like this stepper has. I felt that there was definitely more health benefits because this stepper also incorporates balance, core strengthening, flexibility with cardio and muscle toning, and low impact. I've also found that it gives a tremendous workout in a short amount of time. That's always good. Take your
Quelle est la manière la plus rapide pour pouvoir perdre du poids? Les exercices? Retentez votre chance. Les pilules, lotion, crème? Mais non! C'est l'étonnante ceinture Sauna Velform personnalisée et en 50 minutes seulement, vous pouvez perdre 2,5 cm. Pourquoi la ceinture Sauna Velform fonctionne-t-elle aussi rapidement? Parce qu'elle vous fait transpirer. Transpirer encore et encore ces kilos superflus. Ces centimètres, ces tailles de vêtements, vous constaterez immédiatement les résultats sans le moindre effort. Et le plus sympa, c'est que vous pouvez cibler les zones sur lesquelles vous voulez agir. Abdominaux, poignées d'amour, hanches, taille, fesses, cuisses. Vous choisissez l'endroit et la ceinture Sauna Velform amincit et agit exactement là où vous le voulez. La ceinture Sauna Velform est facile à utiliser. Il vous suffit de l'enfiler. Elle s'adapte à toutes les tailles. D'allumer le thermorégulateur au niveau de la chaleur souhaitée et de vous détendre. Avant même que vous ne vous en rendiez compte, vous pouvez obtenir le corps ferme et tonique dont vous avez toujours rêvé. Vous pouvez l'utiliser où bon vous semble, devant la télévision, en préparant le dîner, dans la chambre, pendant vos moments de détente au jardin, devant l'ordinateur, au bureau ou lors de vos déplacements. Fini de devoir vous asseoir dans des saunas inconfortables ou des bains turcs. Avec la ceinture Sauna Velform, vous pouvez vous amuser et profiter de la vie tout en vous débarrassant de vos brûlés superflus. La ceinture Sauna Velform fonctionne sur tout le monde. Les résultats se voient en 50 minutes. Elle est confortable à porter et lorsque vous l'enlevez, votre peau est nettement plus douce.